Hi everybody, welcome to the March 6th Paper Wishes blog tour, and today I have some really pretty gilded Easter eggs. And as you can see, this particular egg, I hollowed out the inside of the raw egg by making small holes in each end and just blowing through that gets rid of all the insides. Really old technique, you probably did it as a kid. And then I dyed the Easter egg different colors using just regular Easter egg dye or food coloring. And then I used flitter glue and just dabbed that on with a sponge and then waited until the glue was semi-dry and tacky. And then I used gilding flakes. 3 different colors of gilding flakes. Beautiful gilding flakes that just went on really easily. Just got stuck to that glue, and then I just used Scoochie foam and got rid of the excess. It's a really fun project to do, and with a container this size you could do so many eggs. The next egg project we have on the blog is this particular one using alcohol inks, and this pack is called Rustic Lodge, and I use the bottle and the denim, and I just put rubber gloves on and squeezed some of the color out on the egg and then used a blending solution, and it's just really a foolproof way to color eggs. I just love that. It looks just gorgeous colors. And finally on our blog, we also have an Easter egg card using the Sweet Life paper pack, as well as the hot off the press Easter egg cutting die, the word happy die, and this particular technique of making a window, I tell you to do that on the blog as well. So check out the March 6th blog to learn all about Easter eggs. Thanks, bye.